Accmatrix, click on Setup. Setup input document will load. Enter your company name, the year it started, the path to the program files, registration number, your VAT and tax number, telephone number, contact information, cell number, email address, type of business. Under address, your primary address, address line 1, address line 2, your code and your country. Your secondary address, address line 1, address line 2 and country. And then the most important page are all the control accounts. So you need a control account for your customers and debtors, suppliers and creditors, your inventory and stock, your petty cash, your bank account, your primary bank account, and your sales control. If you want to integrate your invoices to stock and your goods receiving to stock, then enter a code for purchases, a code for sales, which must be different to your primary sales control account, and a cost of sales GL code. Then on the right hand side, enter code for retained income, your VAT, tax control account code, your secondary tax code, your VAT rate, when the VAT rate changed, what the new VAT rate is, your discount allowed and your discount received. Then very important, if you have multiple bank accounts, then enter a bank contra code. This means that if you're in bank 1 and you enter a transaction for bank 2, you allocate it to your bank contra code. And then in bank 2, when you enter the transaction, you also allocate it to your bank contra code, and the two will net each other off. Under system settings, you can set a path to your budget or cash flow file and to your management account file. Also, if you want to print in color, just click the tick, and for your debtors and creditors open item, you enter the Y. What this does is it allocates in your bank account all your customer payments against the invoices, or when you pay your suppliers, it will allocate the supplier number against all the goods receiving. Also, you can link your own file for purchases, goods receiving, sales orders, or invoicing, so you can customize your own sales invoice file, your purchase order file, or any other goods receiving or sales order file. Once you've entered this information, press save. Got a notepad where you can enter information about your company, and once you entered all the setup information, click on save, and the information is stored in the database.